The simple and easy reason as to why you procrastinate is this. It is simply due to a lack of clarity in your life. Now, what I mean when I say lack of clarity is I mean no systems, no accountability, no mentor, nobody coaching you and telling you exactly what to do. You see, with all of the clients that we've actually helped, everybody says the same thing. They know exactly what they want to do, what they have to do, but it's just really about executing all the way and following through that they find really hard. You see, procrastinating is just the absence of clarity. And that is the reason why you procrastinate. As soon as you introduce systems into your life with everything that you do, with your work, with your habits, and with your routines, it just gets a lot easier to manage everything on a micro and a macro scale. And that's exactly what has been holding you back from getting the results that you want, from scaling the income, scaling your business, building that physique that you've always wanted to build. And your metrics for success and for reaching your goals, the only thing that has been stopping you it's not some strategy, it's not time, it's just literally a lack of systems in your life. And that ties to identity and discipline. If you don't have the discipline at the correct level, or you don't have the identity at that level as well, it's going to be very, 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 very hard by yourself to get yourself to do the things you have to do consistently enough to scale. I mean, sure, you can be consistent for, a couple of weeks, but what happens when motivation runs out? What happens when things distract you? What are you going to do when life gets hard? And that is a problem most people face. So if you've been stuck procrastinating for so long and you've tried fixing it alone, but it's just like nothing has stuck, then you're in the right place. Procrastination is probably one of the main things that are holding you back from putting in the inputs consistently enough to get the output that you want. Inputs equals outputs. I help people who are stuck in cycles of procrastination build the discipline and the identity required in order to stop procrastinating, operate at your highest potential, and have a system and guidance for everything that you do so you don't procrastinate. So if you want to learn more about how I can personally help you one-on-one to rebuild your discipline and identity to eliminate all forms of procrastination, then click the link below to learn more.